Introducing the new limited edition Toyota trucks with the options you want free. Chrome bumpers, front and rear.
Didn't cost a cent.
Full carpeting, cloth bench seats.
Not a penny more.
Sports striping, style steel wheels.
Comes with the truck.
The limited edition Toyota trucks. For a limited time only, get valuable options.
Free.
Who could ask for anything more?
So I've been sitting in here trying to figure out my steering position, and I'm too big for the car, so I don't have too many options. And I either go like full race car or like whatever this is, which just sucks. And the problem with this is, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to get out of the darn thing, get in very easily. But I do have this quick release. I don't know, it comes off, it's quick release. But it's a different bolt pattern than any of the wheels I have. And I'd like to run this Nardi, so if I run this, I'd have to make an adapter. And I won't be able to use my, or I mean, I might be able to. But I'd have to run my blinker. But I think that's better than driving like this. And this is nice. This is comfortable. I just won't be able to get out. So I think I'll make an adapter.